Easy Chana Masala with chickpeas and yams from plantbasedcooking.com. I'm going to start by dicing up this red onion, which has an interesting growth coming out of the middle of it. Some garlic and ginger. We're going to saute that all together. We're going to add all our spices, like curry, cumin, cayenne, paprika, garam masala, coriander. And we're gonna saute that all together. And then we're gonna throw our yam in with the tomatoes and the tomato paste and cook that all together. And then at the very end, add the coconut milk and the peas. So I've heated up this nice stock pot, diced my red onions. I'm gonna saute these, no oil. Just dry saute, they're gonna release their own juices. As the onions are sauteing, I'm gonna dice up 5 cloves of garlic and
1 tablespoon of ginger.
Chopped up garlic and grated ginger. Add all the dry spices to the onions. Cook that together for a few minutes.
Add 1 can of diced tomato.
Mix in the chickpeas and the sweet potatoes and cook until the sweet potatoes are tender. So after letting the sweet potatoes cook, we have our Chana Masala. And we're gonna add our frozen peas and just give it another.
And 1/2 can of light coconut milk.